Good day everyone, I am Rico May and I'm about to present to you my new and improved product, and I'm calling it Smart Plus. And now I'm going to tell you how this product works. And this is a new SIM card that all of the people in the Philippines will enjoy this product, or Smart Plus. It is more beneficial for everyone and especially for teenagers. Siyempre, di ba tayong mga teenagers, mahilig tayo mag-Facebook, mag-Twitter, mag-Instagram, mag-Snapchat, mag-post ng mga day-day na yan. And this product is very easy to use and very useful for people who is on the go. And the importance of this Smart Plus is that we can use it everywhere we go, anytime, every minute, every seconds, every hour of the day. No limitations, unlimited internet, and there will be no extra charges. Nice, diba? So, this Smart Plus is Wi-Fi ready and unlimited texts and calls to all networks. Bongga. And you don't have to worry about the signal because we assure you that you can get a reliable quality service for the internet. Hindi siya buffer, diba? Sa YouTube ka, nag-YouTube ka, hindi siya mag-buffer. Maayos to, maganda to, mas maganda pa to sa PLDT. And syempre yung price niya very affordable and friendly, diba? Friendly. It will cost you 2,000 pesos. Good for 2 months. Diba? Affordable. And yun lang. Thank you for listening.